Vehicle service contracts are a great way for vehicle owners to keep one of their biggest investments in top working condition. It's also one way buyers can protect themselves from the added cost of any unexpected repairs. A vehicle service contract can make up the difference between what the manufacturer's original warranty covers and what falls outside of the coverage, providing extra peace of mind. Your options may vary, so ensure you find the right vehicle service contract to fill your individual needs by speaking with your business manager. Costs depend on the type of vehicle you lease or purchase, how many miles are on the vehicle's odometer at that point in time, the kind of repairs that the service contract covers, and the amount of years or miles the contract covers before it expires. Buyers who have purchased a vehicle service contract often do so to help defray any unexpected costs in the future, ensuring they will enjoy their purchase for years to come.